रोहित, हमेशा ये कहा जाता था कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया का दौरा फर्स्ट ओवर किसी भी यंग बैट्समैन के लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है, लेकिन पिछले कुछ सीरीज़ में हमने देखा, चाहे गिल को देखें या पंत को देखें या जायसवाल को देखें, पहली सीरीज़ में जिस आसानी से ये अडेप्ट करते हैं, उसका क्या रीज़न रहा? आप कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे? क्योंकि एक कई बार लोगों को लगता है कि T20 वाले फॉर्मेट वाले प्लेयर टेस्ट क्रिकेट में वो भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में एडजस्ट नहीं करेंगे। कल आप बात भी कर रहे थे जायसवाल के साथ, तो किस तरह का कॉन्वर्सेशन?
नहीं, देखिए, अभी आजकल के जो लड़के हैं वो काफ़ी फियरलेस है, ज़्यादा बैगेज लेके ट्रैवल नहीं करते। बैगेज मतलब सूटकेसेस नहीं यहाँ पे। तो जायसवाल, गिल, पंत, ये लोग अलग जनरेशन के क्रिकेटर्स हैं। जब आए थे पहली बार ऑस्ट्रेलिया, हमारे दिमाग में सिर्फ यही चीज़ चलता था कि कैसे हम रन बनाएंगे, अपने आप पे हम ज़्यादा प्रेशर डालते थे। बट देखिए, हर जनरेशन अलग होता है। आजकल के लड़के एकदम बिंदास और फियरलेस हैं, और ये शायद उनके फेवर में काम भी कर रहा है। जब भी मैं उनसे बात करता हूँ, उनसे सुनता हूँ, उनके दिमाग में सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है कि मैच कैसे जीता जाए। ये नहीं कि मैं कैसे 100 बनाऊँ, मैं कैसे 200 बनाऊँ, मैच कैसे जीता जाए। अगर जब आप ऐसे सोचने लगते हो तो परफॉर्मेंसेस, इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मेंसेस अपने आप होता है, क्योंकि अगर आपको जीतना है तो परफॉर्मेंसेस डालने पड़ेंगे, ये ऑटोमेटिकली होता है। बट अगर आपका सोच ऐसा है कि आपको मैचेस कैसे जीतने हैं, सीरीज़ कैसे जीतना है, टूर्नामेंट्स कैसे जीतने हैं, अगर आपका पहला फोकस ये है तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो बड़े बड़े रन ये लोग बनाते हैं वो सेकेंडरी है। पहला उनका प्राइमरी फोकस है कि मैच कैसे जीता जाए, मैं कंट्रीब्यूट कैसे करूं। अगर बैट से नहीं कर पाया तो फील्डिंग में क्या कर सकता हूँ, बॉलिंग में क्या कर सकता हूँ। तो आजकल के लड़के लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड थिंग। किसी ने, आई डोंट नो, ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में ये लोग कोई बात करता है इनके साथ या कोई इनको बताता है। ये इनका नेचुरल माइंडसेट है। जब भी ये टूर पे आते हैं तो इनका माइंडसेट ऐसे होता है कि मैच कैसे जीता जाए।
तो आपने कल क्या बात की जायसवाल और पंत से? जो
मेरे और उसके बीच में वो थोड़ा पर्सनल बात है, वो तो नहीं शेयर कर सकते। थैंक्स। Look, for Washi, since he came and played here in Australia way back in 2021 in that Teva series, where he got few wickets and he scored those crucial runs as well. After that, he's had unlucky injuries as well, where he was out of the team for a while. He was not playing a lot of cricket. But see, with Washi, again, very solid all-rounder. We've seen it, what he can do with the ball, with the bat. He's got a solid technique to play anywhere in the world. ऐसे लड़के जो अगर टीम में रहते हैं तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता ही है। And with Washi especially, I just hope that he stays away from injury and doesn't get injured, because a player like him is always valuable to our squad. Gives us that balance, that depth that a team always requires. So with Washi, I can see his graph from here going up only. I don't see him going down unless there is an unfortunate injury. But he's got all the tools that is required to, find success at international level. He's got everything that is required. तो अभी आप इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो तो आपको तकलीफ तो सहना पड़ेगा. Whether it is facing the ping ball, whether it is facing the spin, कुछ भी. नहीं, ज़्यादा खेलते नहीं है, बट देखो, अभी जब भी आपके सामने एक सीरीज़ है, टूर है, आपको पता है कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया जब आओगे तो एक पिंक बॉल का टेस्ट मैच होगा ही। तो अभी जैसे मैंने अभी इसके पहले क्वेश्चन में वो आंसर किया कि अभी लड़के इतने मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, अडेप्टेशन इज़ नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम एनीमोर। लड़के लोग अपने आप को इस तरीके से प्रिपेयर करते हैं कि कोई भी सिचुएशन या कोई भी डिफ़िकल्ट चीज़ें सामने आई तो उसको अच्छे से करना है। डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, बट आप क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो हाईएस्ट लेवल पे, तो चीज़ें आपको इजीली नहीं मिलेगी। आपको डिफ़िकल्ट चीज़ें करने पड़ेंगे। पर्थ में जो हमने टेस्ट मैच जीता, काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट चैलेंज था। हमारे कुछ प्लेयर्स नहीं थे, एंड चैलेंजिंग जाकर वहाँ पे क्रिकेट खेला, सर नीचे रख के, जिसका जो काम था वो उन्होंने किया और हमने रिजल्ट हमारे फेवर में लाया। तो इसी तरीके से हमको ये टेस्ट मैच भी देखना चाहिए कि चैलेंजिंग होगा, बट अगर 11 के 11 लोग अपना काम करेंगे, शायद रिजल्ट जो है वो हमारे फेवर में आ सकता है। was. And when I landed, I was a little tired. So it was, I think, day 3, and we were comfortably placed on day 3. And day 4 is when I went to the ground. I wanted to get some hit as well, and then to see the guys doing so well and win the test match was superb. And when you arrive to a scene like that, nothing can beat that. It was superb to watch everyone play and get the result in our favor, which was very, very pleasant to see. I mean, what's there is there. You come to Australia, you know Adelaide is the place where pink ball test match is held. You try and prepare your mind accordingly. It's obviously not easy, getting used to that pink ball, but it is what it is. And for us as professional players, whatever is there in front of us, we have to try and do that. Obviously, we didn't have a great result when we played here last time, but we are quite determined to change that result. But yeah, it's not easy, but it is what it is. As professional players, you are trained to do difficult things, and I believe everyone's now mentally so strong in their mind to adapt to different things. And for us as team also, it gives us a lot of confidence going in a game like that, where mentally players are very strong, and they don't complain about they cannot sight the ball properly, or the ball is doing a bit too much and things like that. It's just what's there in front of you, you try and do that well. It'll mean a lot. Obviously, we as a team, we try and think about the present situation than the past. I know they have had a good record, but records are meant to be broken. At some stage, the records will be broken. For us, from our point of view, we've had a great start to this series. We just like to build on that, try and see, how we can do things right for a consistent period of time. Because to win a test match, you need to be consistent for longer periods of time, and that is where our focus is. And if we keep doing the things that we did in Perth, I think we can get the result that we are looking for. Unfortunately, I was not there to bring this news to them that they are not playing the first game. But it's always hard to leave experienced players like Jadeja and Ashwin. It's never easy. But I think the decision was made, whatever was best for the team at that particular time, and whatever the management felt at that particular time is right thing to do. We did that. And that is, I think, what throughout the series we will look to do. Whatever we feel at that particular time is the right thing to do, we'll try and do that. But yeah, I certainly see them playing a huge role in the rest of the series, because what they bring to the table never be written off, because they are quality players, and they have whatever success Indian cricket has had over the past few years is largely because of these two guys as well. So we will never count that performances of theirs, what they have done for the team. It's important for us to realize certain grounds here will bring certain players in the game a lot more. So we have to try and do that. And whatever suits the team the best, we try and make those decisions based on what we see in front of us. It's just about getting used to the pace of the ball more than anything else. You are so used to playing with red ball, and pink ball certainly does a little bit more than the red ball. And at the same time, we've been training here for the past 3 days, and I certainly felt that the more time you spend playing the pink ball, it gets a little easier as well. The bounce is there. Obviously, there will be challenges. The pink ball will have its own challenge. The lights during the day as well. you just have to find your own way of dealing with it. I think that is something that we as a team have spoken in the group, and try and respond to that current situation. Whatever is happening at that particular time, you feel whatever is best for you to do at that point in time, you have to do it. And the team will back that decision to do what is necessary at that point in time. So it's just about, understanding. We've watched a lot of games that has been played here as well, and we do understand what the condition has to offer. As the game goes on, the conditions changes a little bit. So we are quite aware of all of those things. It's just about making those decisions on the field, whether it's with the bat or with the ball, and try and do that perfectly.
Rahil,